Hey there! Ever wondered why Popeye loved his spinach? Spoiler alert, it's not just for the muscles. Today, I'm diving into why spinach is considered a superfood and why you should be adding it to your diet. First up, let's talk nutrients. Spinach is absolutely packed with vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of vitamin A, which is fantastic for your vision and immune system. Then, there's vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps keep your skin healthy and glowing. And don't forget vitamin K, crucial for bone health and blood clotting. But that's not all. Spinach is also rich in iron, which helps your body produce red blood cells and keep your energy levels up. Plus it's loaded with folate, supporting a healthy heart and brain function. And let's not forget about the fiber. Spinach is a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and helping you feel full longer. Now let's talk about those antioxidants. Spinach contains powerful compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for eye health. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Ever heard of cancer-fighting properties in food? Spinach has got you covered there too. The high levels of chlorophyll found in spinach may help block carcinogenic effects of heterocyclic amines, which are generated when grilling foods at high temperatures. And here's one more reason to love spinach: it's incredibly versatile. You can toss it in a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or saute it as a side dish. The options are endless and delicious. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of spinach. Your body will thank you. That's it for today's quick dive into the world of spinach. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, eat your greens.